Hello guys, hello. Going for a quick ride to go for a quick ride so to speak. Yep, so it's Thursday. Happy Thursday to everyone. I still haven't posted the other videos. Thank you for everyone that has watched my State of the Union that I put out, which is kind of like I just talk about motorcycles. It's motorcycles, it is news, and it is God, the Bible. And I just cover like my rides, some highlights or something interesting that happened. Then I might cover some, in this case, gear, I think last time that I wear. And then I could talk about current events, news, whatever the case may be. And then I talk a little about the Bible, and that's the State of the Union. Thank you also for those that watch Biker Bible Moments, which is just a little 1 minute. It's about 1 minute in all that I actually speak, without the intro and outro, about just a Biker Bible moment. That's it. And for those that watch all the other videos, the playlist, the shorts, I have a lot of shorts out there, so thank you so much for you guys watching it and supporting me and give me ideas. So today we're gonna ride the Ninja 600 for a little bit. Just gonna ride it for a few minutes because we didn't ride it this week, and so I try to ride each bike a little bit during the week. Oh, isn't she pretty? Yeah. And that's exactly what we're doing. Yesterday my friend came over for a little bit. Let me get my feet together here. Whenever I don't wear these Hidichi boots, they're tight when you put them on, so to move your leathers and stuff like that. So the bike seems to be warmed up. It's a beautiful Thursday down here in Texas. Gonna close this visor and away we go. So what I was gonna tell you, let me check this, make sure nobody's coming. Nobody's coming still. So what I was gonna say is there is a scripture in the Bible. Gotta talk about God, right? That says, I think the apostles were asking, Jesus was saying, hey, will you guys also leave me? And the apostles like, leave you? Where are we gonna go? You have the words of life. Watch that little Dusty right there. And that's the truth, right? I think that sometimes in our own relationships, and sometimes it doesn't go right, or we think people are gonna leave us or let us down. Oh, I had to stop. Or leave us or let us down, or whatever the case may be. And then it's like, leave you, let you down. You're my friend. Where are you going? Hola. For what? I mean, you're my friend. Why would I do that? And I think that that helps us out in our own friendships. Is being more complete and settled in life, not tossed to and fro by the winds and the whims of life that we all can be a part of, you know. Just be like, nah, you know, I got a good friend. No sense looking for a part 2 or a second friend, part 3. You know, sometimes you just be comfortable with what you got, right? And then of course there's times when you're not. Oh, it's getting dark. Nice shift up. Whenever I start riding, it's like getting your body to work, because riding a motorcycle you have to work everything, right? You gotta work your left foot for your shift lever, you gotta work your right foot for the rear brake, you gotta work your right hand for the throttle and the front brake, you gotta work your left hand for the clutch, right? So you gotta get it all working. And sometimes when you first start, at least me, I don't know about anybody else, when I first start my ride, I'm always getting my hands together, my feet together. It's like this little piggy stayed home. So anyway, just going for a quick ride. I hear something. Oh yeah. All right, the feet are starting to work a little bit. Looks like it's gonna rain. It's supposed to rain. All right, now that I get my feet, my pants in the right situation. Watch those little white things. They can be slick, especially when they're I guess she had to get to where she had to go. My tires are not warmed up. Okay, get my seat situation together here. So yeah, back to what I was saying. It's that being, you know, a man, he who has friends must himself be friendly, right? That's the scripture. And there's a friend that sticketh close to the brother. These are all common sense things, right? That lets you know God's pretty smart. So these common sense things. Ooh, what are you doing? So, just in that sense, you know, who's smarter than God? Anybody know? Anybody? Anybody? Any questions? Anybody? Hands? 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 Nobody, right? That's why he's God. So, for me personally, I don't know about you, but for me personally, it does matter, like the wisdom of God that helps you out in life. And where are we gonna go? I mean, who's gonna, I mean, if you really think about this, I mean, 100%, right? We say that our mom has our best interests out for us, right? You might have a wife, she has your best interests out for you. The kids, they want the best for you, right? But who wants the best for you more than God, right? Who has a plan for your life that's better for you than God? Who can see it all, right? As we say, you know, who can see it all? Who knows everything that's going on? Only God. So that's what we say. So many people, they will turn their back on you or find it so easy to just be like, I'm not messing with that person no more, right? We know that, right? Fair weather friends, or sometimes a really good friend, and it's like, all it takes is one thing and it's like, they're not your friend anymore. And that's cool, they're entitled to that. And that was maybe Jesus' point. It's like, okay, so I'm not giving you what you want, so do you guys want to break out too? An apostle said, where are we gonna go? I mean, who's got it better than us, right? And so, isn't that sort of like what bikers say? Who's got it better than bikers? Huh? We're out here on two wheels. We can go places that other people can't go in ways that they can't go. You can go fast, you can go slow. You can backpack or not. You can chill, right? You can ride all times of the year as long as it's not too cold out. Or, excuse me, as long as it's not icy out down here. Riding down the ice down here would be problematic on two wheels. Riding in the rain, not so much, because people do it a lot down here. I've done it. Switch that bad boy into, make sure nobody's coming. Drop that bad boy into second, well, some people say rain mode, but B mode, right? Drop it down in B mode. Why am I bike hot? It's 201 right now. Oh, there it is. I was about to say, why is it staying hot? Usually this bad boy runs about 180, 85 to 87 when it's properly warmed up and good to go. So yeah. Oh shoot, I didn't even get my thing on. Get my car on. So yeah, I think that you know, that's the hope, right? To find people that are, you know, that people are not going to be so quick to be like, you know. But then that says a lot about people too, right? When people, it's like it says, like, you know, everybody's so demanding and life is so demanding, right? That you want everything to go your way, and that's not life. We learn that as kids, right? We don't get the toy we want. Sometimes people don't play in the play box like we want them to do. We grow up, go to schools, we don't get the clothes that we want. You know, our friends, you know, aren't always savory. That's all I'm gonna say. And that's life, right? Grown-ups realize that everything doesn't go our way, and sometimes we need to remember that, especially with people, right? People are not perfect, and I think the bikers understand that a little bit. A lot of bikers that I know are going through all types of traumatic things to them, and that's the whole thing, right? We can't invalidate a person's trauma. You know, if they were abused kid, mentally, physically, unfortunately sexually sometimes, if life didn't give them the lemons that they want, or they don't know how to make lemonade, or if the weak, I mean, whatever the situation is, right? Let's not, oh, that's going to be problematic coming back. I can see that right now. Oh, but I don't have to come back that way. That's cool. Oh, that was dangerous. I wasn't paying you much attention either because I was worried about my shift and looking over there to see if there's traffic. Looks like it's manageable. We can get on here. Oh, it's a lot out here right now. It's just cool. What time is it? Oh, that truck is in the whatchamacallit. What the? My goodness. Here comes the Jeep. They want to race, as everybody does when you have a motorcycle. It's like, oh, we can beat you. It's like, yeah, you can. You got it. Get your spaghettis, girl. Get your spaghettis. Get your spaghettis. Me and Danielle are chilling. All right. Get over here into this lane and make our move like we're coming down on the conductor derby. And Daniela moves on to the inside, and she's trailing by about 12 lengths, coming up on the quarter pole. Man, this car is coming up on my bootay fast. Oh, what's going on out here? What is going on up here? All right, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I'm just gonna go down and turn around. That's pretty much it. So anyway, yeah, so you never know what people are going through, right? And because you don't know what people are going through, we have to give ourselves some grace. Let me say that again. We got to be kind to one another. And I get it. It doesn't mean that you have to hang on to things that you think are bad for your health, or that are bad for you in your life, that you got to hang on to them. But what I am saying is that, you know, sometimes, oh, look at this. What are you doing? Oh. Where are you going? There's nowhere to go. There's nowhere to go. There's nowhere to go. So, see. Oh yeah, there's nowhere to go. That was interesting. So yeah, you know, life is what it is, man. Enjoy it. I think the Ecclesiastes, the preacher, pretty much said everything, you know. Enjoy your lot in this life. Work, eat, be merry. She's cute. Riding with her man. She better chill before she gets in little troubles. So yeah, that's life, man. Just make sure they didn't come. Look at all those beautiful planes over there. Got enough gas to get back home. See, it's at 193 now because I was stopping. But yeah, man, I got a broach. All these cars right here too. This is gonna be a little problem. Let me concentrate on the road real quick. Put this bad boy up to speed. Here we go. Let's get on to his highway. Beautiful sunset tonight. I got a great car here. I think we're good. That car, I'm glad I didn't go over there. They were acting crazy in the maroon car. Everybody's chilling. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, here comes the car. That accelerator. That's the one thing you do know about riding a 600. It's physical, in my opinion. For me, I'm losing weight. Hand claps, everybody, hand claps. But yeah, it's physical though, to ride, bent over. But like I said, I have my adjustments where I've learned how to sit back in the saddle, which definitely changes your seat, your leg angle, which is really the part that gets you. I would say stay hydrated, man. If you're gonna ride a 600 or you're gonna ride a leader bike, stay hydrated so that you don't, or you're not prone to cramping, because the positions that your body is in for an extended period of time. Look at me using that big vocabulary. Oh, what up with that? But then again, the acceleration, like, I mean, it's a twist of the throttle, and you're gone. Just now, I just twisted the throttle just a little bit. But I know there's cars up here, and you can get up to 150 real fast. So let's not do that. Let's chill, because this is our exit right here, and we know up front. Okay, there you go, pushing that Volkswagen Touareg. Guess he wanted to say I can go fast too. I know you can. I know you can. Not as fast as this one. I can hit 170 on this one, buddy. I'm not trying to, but I can. Yeah, so it's been a good ride. I'm gonna take it back to the Chris Nib. See, that's what I'm thankful, because I was like looking at that where it's coming this way, like, oh, that's gonna be problematic going back. Because Daniela, I'm gonna tell you something about this bike. She does not like traffic jams. She doesn't like sitting there. Now I'm not saying that she can't do it, but she doesn't like it. She gets angry, like, ooh, it's hot up in here. She gets hot. Not hotter than, you know, just that I think she prefers to be in this 180, 183, 184, 85. What the? Oh, everybody's getting off too. But that's what it is. Oh man, she's gonna have to deal with it anyway. Sorry, Daniela. Gonna have to deal with it, girl. Because all these cars are getting off, trying to avoid the traffic jam. Now, I theoretically could. This is California, like a lane filter. But this is not California, and that is a no-no. Not only is it a no-no, it gets the drivers agitated, which is also a no-no for me, because I don't want them agitated at me at all. I want them to play nice. Everybody play nice. Everybody just play nice. Stay over here on the left. It's really nice out. Oh man. And that's another thing too, with these bikes that are twitchy, this like slow speed stuff, gotta stay on point, because I like to position my hands a certain way. So, and then holding this clutch like this, yeah, it's stressful. I'm gonna say it's stressful. I'm letting it out now. It's powerful. The clutches are powerful. Racing clutches are different than the 9500, which is really soft and easy to pull. There's a lot of construction always over here. There's always something going on in Texas. Car's giving me nice space back there. Gonna turn red. Then I can take my hand off this darn thing. Yay, the light turned red, the light turned red. So yeah, that's all I got really, guys. Just be nice to one another. I've seen in my little year on the biker, on bikers, bikers are us, I guess that's what you call it, that it's an interesting world, the biker community. Sorry, Daniela. What's up, champ? He was chilling, right? Sunroof down. That's what I like about my car too. Little kid give me a little wave, a little wave. Gotta say hi to the kitties, right? Say, hey, come on, let's go. Making some leeway. We're almost there. Daniela liked the movement. Oh, look at that sunset though. That's gonna be brilliant, right? If we're over by Lake Louisville, that's a great place to go for the sunset. I guess anything that you are by a body of water. And then over here, down here, we don't actually see it, but we're gonna get close to it. There's a brand new ride now, Power Sports. Man, they got all types of bikes and stuff up in there. I went in there the other day. Of course, right now, from my understanding, bikes are not selling. And so it's obvious that they, you know, they're trying to sell everything to get the most out of it. And that startled me. My helmet went off. I'm trying to get my screen to touch it. So there's a so you know, that's what I've heard. I've heard is that the bikes are not selling right now. I mean, a bike isn't, for some people, it is the means of transportation to and for work, right? From point A to point B. For other people, it's a luxury item. For some people, right? Or, you know, you like to be a biking enthusiast, you go out on the weekends or whatever the case may be, and you bike. Nevertheless, for the manufacturer and the dealer, it is a means of income. Ooh, 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 oh, get some air in here. It's hot. All right, gotta make this tight turn. Okay. I see you, girl. Big truck, big truck, big truck, big truck, big truck. Okay. Huh. That's interesting. That was very interesting. I don't know why my music's not playing. I don't know why. tried. Let me see what's going on. I can't get my stuff together. I could not get my stuff together, guys. My glove, I was trying to fix my music and I can't. And then the light switched on me. Oh my god, I was like, oh my god, hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. So, it was just one of those moments. It's probably not funny to anybody else, but to me it was. I got my glove halfway on and halfway off, and then this white car's behind me, trying to catch me. You can catch me, dear heart. I see. Girls, they love the bikers. See? Haha. They love the bikers. Girls, they love the bikers. Girls, they love the bikers. Oh wow, there's what you call them. I don't even know them, but I like saying that. We're chilling in second gear, 6,000 miles. And that's another thing about this bike, it revs high. It revs high. I should have took it the first time, but I was being careful. Whee! The red car. Oh, the person jumping out in the middle of the road. What are you doing, sir? What are you doing? Imagine if I would be coming down here doing 150 like some people do on these streets, cutting up. That would have been a bad, bad day. But blessed be the name of the Lord. There was this girl, I don't know who it was, but she used to always be like, blessed be the name. She was funny, hilarious girl, southern girl. I used to watch her stuff sometimes. All right. I could make it. I know I could. Because I'm fast. I'm fast. All right, guys, back in my neighborhood. Thanks for riding with me. Riding through life with Kurt. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.